Hello and welcome to Feeling Good. I'm Karen Hill, and today we have with us somebody that can tell us about our hearing, Dr. Kimberly Combs, and she is a doctor of audiology. Welcome, Kim.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure.
Oh, wonderful. Now tell us what a doctor of audiology does.
We help people communicate better through hearing, through better hearing. So hearing is an important part of our daily life. A lot of aspects of our life are affected by hearing, from hearing the alarm clock to talking to our loved ones to our jobs and our neighbors and friends. So hearing affects us in a large way, and we help people hear better.
And I think we're going to talk about some of the quality of life issues that you just mentioned, but you know, many of us don't understand really how the ear works. Many of us can't hear very well, but can you tell us a little bit about how we actually hear?
Sure. We have three parts of our ear: our outer ear, our middle ear, and our inner ear. Our outer ear consists of the ear canal down to the eardrum.
Okay.
Our middle ear is behind our eardrum, and then the three smallest bones in our body are behind that eardrum and attached to it. And then we have our inner ear, or our cochlea, which is and that's attached to our hearing nerve. So as we hear, sound goes down our ear canal, hits our eardrum, sends those bones into motion, which stimulates the inner ear or cochlea, and that sends a signal along the nerve and up to the brain. We hear from our brain. It's all decoded from our brain. This is just how it gets in.
So it's really our brain that's hearing, but our ear has to work for our brain to hear.
Correct.
Okay.
Our ear transmits the signal, and our brain decodes it.
Okay.